So today I'll be showing you how to pair and connect your JBL Go 4, this one right here, to a Mac or MacBook. Now this is very simple. So I'm going to take you step by step. So the first thing you need to do is make sure the speaker is on, and you can tell it's on because of this light, and also make sure it's in Bluetooth pairing mode. And to confirm that, make sure this light is blinking. If it's not, just press on this Bluetooth button, and when the light is blinking like that, it means the speaker is in pairing mode. So now you can go to the Bluetooth settings of your Mac. Just go to the control center. I'm just going to increase the brightness a bit. So go to the control center and select Bluetooth, and then click on Bluetooth settings. And then from the Bluetooth settings window, if you scroll down, you will see your JBL Go. Click on connect and it should get connected. Simple as that. You can see it's now connected. And also you can make one more step, and that is going to the sound output setting. So if you go back to the control center and go to sound, click on this little arrow, make sure your JBL Go 4 is selected as a sound output device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.